expressions are difficult topics, but it can be learned easily by practicing again and again. So, if you're new here, my name is Atharva. I am studying in BPPVM, and please don't forget to subscribe, share and like the channel, and also hit the bell button to get more exciting, entertaining maths videos notification. So let's go straight to the video. So this is my computer screen, and now we are going to learn basics of algebraic expressions, types of algebraic expressions and operations of algebraic expressions. So first we are going to learn basics. So now the first we are going to learn variables. Usually variables are the alphabets in the algebraic expression. For example, in 5y minus 7z, the variables are y and z. So let's go to the second one. So the second one is coefficient. The coefficient means, like, we shall take the same example here. So in the example 5y minus 7z, here coefficient usually means the numbers in the algebraic expressions. So in this algebraic expressions, the numbers are 5 and 7, and as per the same example, the variables are y and z. So these are coefficients. Now let's go to the third one, which means terms. Terms are usually the mixture of variables and coefficients. So we shall take again the same example, 5y minus 7z. Here there are two terms, and between them is an operation. So we are going to learn operations later on, but now the operation is minus, and there are two terms, 5y and 7z. So these are terms, and again terms are the mixture of coefficient and variables. So next we are going to learn like terms. The terms which have same variables and with the same powers are called like terms. So for example, 2x and 5x, this is an example of like terms. Sorry, I forgot to write a comma. This is an example of the like terms. So let's move to our fifth one, which is meant by unlike terms. Here unlike terms are usually the opposite of it. So if I take 2x and 5y, they don't become like terms because there is another variable. So they don't become like terms. So next, these are the basics. Now let's turn to types of algebraic expressions. Now there are four types of algebraic expressions. There are four types of algebraic expressions. Now the first one is monomial. These ones are usually, they are only one terms. So in here the I have to teach two terms, and monomials means only one terms. Monomials, for example, I will give you 4x, negative, negative 7. I hope you have learned integers. Monomials have only one term for it. Second. Binomials. Binomials usually have two terms in them. Like, I will give you an example. 2x minus 3y. Here, it does not matter if they are like terms or unlike terms. It only matters that there are two terms. They are called binomials. The third, trinomials. The third, trinomials have three terms in them. Like, I will give you an example of the Pythagoras triplet. A plus B plus C. Sorry. B plus C. See, these are trinomials. So, I will give you another example. Second example is x square minus 5x plus 6. These are the two examples. Now fourth, polynomials. Polynomials have more than three terms in them. So I will give an example. Cube, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab minus b cube. This is one example of polynomials. In this there are four terms. I said now it is more than three terms. So these are the types of algebraic expressions. Sorry. Now I will give you teach you the types of algebraic expressions. Operations of algebraic expressions. Now, in operations, we are going to learn three operations. The first, addition. The second, subtraction. And the third, multiplication. Now, the first we are going to learn is addition. In addition, we are going to do horizontal arrangement. Now, we are going to learn addition of monomials. So, addition of monomials. Now, usually addition of monomials. So, as I showed you here, monomials means one term. So, for addition, we need two terms. So, we will take 4x minus 3x. Now, we have to do simple addition, but we have to ignore the signs. So, we will do in bracket 4 plus 3x. So, the answer will be 4 plus 3, obviously 7x. This 7x will be the answer. I will give you another example. So in this another example, we will do 14x minus 8x. So we just have to do, sorry, Anna, I mistaken here. So just 14 plus 8 in bracket and then x. So what is 14 plus 8? 14 plus 8 is equal to 22. So 22 and give then the variable x. So this is addition of monomials. Addition of monomials. Now we shall learn addition of binomials. In addition of binomials, we have 4 terms. So as I showed you here, binomials means 2. So if you want to do addition or give any operation between them, we shall need more 2 to do it. So we will take 2x 2x plus 4y 4y and then plus 3x plus 2y. Now in this we just have to take the like terms. If you have forgotten, like terms means the terms which have the same variables with the same powers are called like terms. So here the same power 2x 3x, same value and same power. So we have to just take 2x plus 3x plus 4y plus 2y. So at the end we will get the answer as 3x plus 2x plus 3x. So obviously for 5x and then plus 4y plus 2y equal to 6y. So this is the answer. Remember, I will give you all these examples at the end to practice, or you may stop the video and do. Now we are going to learn subtraction of expressions. We are not going to learn trinomials one. Now we are going to learn another one. Is subtraction. Subtraction. Sorry. Subtraction. At the first we are going to learn subtraction. Now in subtraction we have to just we are going to do subtraction of binomials. We just have to means I will give you one example. So here we will take 16x plus 23y plus 12z, and then minus 9x minus 27y minus 14z. So in here we have seen, here we have to just opposite the operations here just of the second expression. So I will solve this. 16x plus we have to just copy this here. Copy this here. Sorry, my page has been over. And then you have to take the like terms to a side, like 16x, then minus 9x, then you have to take the like terms to a side, and then plus minus plus minus plus, then take 23y minus 27y, then plus 12z minus 14z. So this we have to just solve it in the next step. So the answer obviously becomes 7x plus 50y and then minus 2z. The answer becomes 7x plus 50y minus 2z. Now I will start multiplication. 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 In multiplication, it is just like addition. Obviously, it will be because addition is the repetition of multiplication. So, I will take one example of addition. Multiplication. Guys, this is a x and this is a multiplication. Capital X I will take as a multiplication because this small is x. We will take it as a variable, and capital X we will take it as a sign of multiplication. Then multiplied by 12y. And here we just have to multiply the variable coefficients, means the numbers. So we will just multiply them. 3 multiplied by 12. So 12 multiplied by 3 or 3 multiplied by 12 is equal to 36. And then we have to take the variables and put it at the another side. So x, y. So the answer will give 36 x, y. The answer will become. So now I hope you have understand. I will give you examples now. Examples. So these are the examples, and if you have any doubt, you can comment me at the comment section, and also comment the answers at the comment section. So I hope you liked the video.
Thanks for watching,
Bye.
guys. I hope you liked the video. You please share, subscribe to my channel, and stay home, stay safe.